Hey there everyone, I hope you're fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to buy CP with GCash. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I have 0 CP right now. So what you need to do is you need to go inside store. Click on store, and on the left hand side when you scroll down you will see an option called COD points. So as you can see, there are a number of options here that you can select from. You can either have 80 to almost 10,000 points. So I'll simply select this one here, and when you click on it, it will lead you to the Google's app. So here as you can see, in India GCash is also known as Google Pay. So it is connected with my ID. It will similarly show your GCash here. So you have to just simply click on buy and then verify your purchase, and that's how you can buy it. So I'm just showing you, I will not buy it. So you have to just simply click on buy. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.